Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to Education AI Parixes, where we empower teachers with innovative ideas and AI driven insights for classrooms. In today's video, we explore constructivism, a powerful view of learning that transforms classrooms into active learner centered environments. Let us dive into how students construct knowledge and how teachers facilitate learning and why this philosophy matters for today's schools. Viewers, constructivism views learning as an active process. Learners are not passive recipients of information. They actively interpret and integrate new knowledge into their existing mental frameworks. Prior knowledge forms the foundation. Students' experiences, beliefs, and cultural background shape how they understand new content. Meaning making is central. Knowledge becomes personal and contextual when learners connect it into real life situations. Teachers act as facilitators, guiding exploration instead of dictating information. And finally, social interactions among students and teachers enriches learning through dialogue, peer collaboration, and cultural context. Several influential thinkers have shaped constructivism. Jean Piaget emphasized cognitive developmental stages, encouraging stage appropriate tasks and discovery learning. Lev Vygotsky introduced the zone of proximal development and scaffolding, highlighting the importance of peer collaboration and teacher support. John Dewey in 1930s advocated experiential learning rooted in real life activities, inspiring project based lessons. Jerome Bruner promoted discovery learning and spiral curriculum, revisiting concepts at increasing complexity. And similarly, Maria Montessori pioneered child centered, hands on exploration, creating environments for self directed learning. So, these five pioneers, Jean Piaget, Lev Vygotsky, John Dewey, Jerome Bruner, and Maria Montessori, are the foundational and influential theorists of constructivism. We have talked briefly about some of these already in our series on cognitive views of learning. Viewers, constructivism is not just a word, it is has deep principles which are very practical for the class. In practice, constructivism comes alive through classroom strategies. Problem based learning engages students with authentic challenges, encouraging creative application of knowledge. Collaborative learning deepens understanding through group work and peer teaching. Scaffolding provides structured support which is gradually withdrawn as the competence among the students grows. Reflection and metacognition helps learners monitor progress through journals, think alouds, and self-assessment. Culturally responsive teaching connects lessons with students' background, making learning meaningful and inclusive, especially which is vital, especially in diverse classrooms like those in Pakistan. Constructivism is very powerful, but it comes with challenges. Learners may form misconceptions if guidance is insufficient. Standardized assessments often fail to capture deep contextual learning. Large class sizes or rigid curricula can limit constructivist practices. That is why balance is essential. Constructivism works best when blended with structured approaches to ensure clarity and curriculum coverage. Dear viewers, teachers, researchers, and students, constructivism redefines learning as an active, dynamic, and socially enriched process. By valuing prior knowledge, encouraging meaning making, and fostering collaboration, constructivism equips students with critical thinking and problem solving skills for real life. Thank you very much for watching Education AI Parixes. Please subscribe for more videos on educational theories and practical classroom strategies. Together, let us empower teachers and transform learning in Pakistani schools. Thank you very much for watching.